traders, hello. Oh, playing with my hair, look out. Okay, so I didn't think I'd get a chance to make a video, but I noticed XXII, and they've had I'm just putting this across here. They've had a press release, and there's movement pre-market as well. So I'll get Market Watch up because I don't get pre-market with my shitty Interactive Brokers demo account, but I guess that's what I get for trading demo account apparently. Alright, so XX. I like Market Watch. Yeah, so it's up. Did it test 250? No, the high was 249, and we've got pretty good volume as well. So that's obviously adding to my thesis here of potential, breakout buy. So 249 is where it's at now. I mean, that there's still a little bit of resistance there. If we can get above maybe like a 252. But then the problem there is then there's resistance at 262. So how I would potentially play this, where are we at now? Maybe a dip down to 230. I'd like that for a dip buy potentially. Or if it doesn't dip and it just holds and holds it around, 249, 250, maybe a potential entry in at like 252, targeting, then it's dumb though, then you're targeting 2 cents a share, 10 cents a share though, which is not, the end of the world, but, I feel it's only one real point there, and if it can break through there, then you've got a lot more room. You've got 262 to drive to, 279, 280. So that's how I'd play. Like, and obviously if it reversed a little bit, I'd be closing out early. So, and if the bounce is at 230, if it does start, obviously it's going to gap up potentially, and then it might. Okay. So the breakout would be 252, and the stop, the mental stop would be around 238. So that's sort of how I'm playing it. And I've also documented that as well, but I just wanted to put a video out there. This is the only one I'm really going to watch because it's not too bad pre-market. And here's there it is. We found it. So this is the press release. And that's going to be August 10th. So it's after hours. So potentially hold it. I'm not sure. Like if I was to play this, it would maximum of 2,000 shares would be how I would. That's probably not. That's going to be half the. That's going to be half the account. So I might not do that. But, who quoted that? So it's just all by the FDA's dialogue here, and it's the most important public health initiative of the century, and their sales are up a little bit as well. Second quarter financial summary, so an increase of $1 million or so, at 37.8%. So there's positive news there, and it did the conference calls after hours, so it's potentially an overnight hold. Please correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Okay, so I'm just a rookie trader, but the problem is, it's. I mean, it does hold. Okay, like it's not. If we go to the chart, just to see the stability of this, let's go like to the hourly chart. Okay, so it's somewhat stable. I mean, the range of 210 to 250 or so is, about the 15-minute. Okay. So recently it's a bit volatile, but I guess we'll see. Like I said, if it can get out of in the 250s, I might potentially think a breakout. I mean, ideally you'd want it above 277. Go to the daily and see sort of all-time highs. Ambitious, I guess you don't want to get in too late, and miss a lot of the potential. So that's how I'm sort of thinking. And then ride it out through here, on the back of a positive conference call. You see what they say, and so there's a little bit of a catalyst there. So interesting. Anyway, guys, I'm going to close it down. I'm going to upload it straight away. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Bye.